Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm here to talk to you about the best hair straightener. The best hair straightener is really the best hair straightener for your hair type. If you've got coarse curly hair, you're going to want one that's a little bit heavier duty, like the Chi here. This one is able to withstand daily use. It's got the ceramic plates. You're going to also want to make sure that it gets nice and hot. This Chi, I think, gets to about 430 degrees. Now, if you've got finer hair, you're going to want something more like this. This actually has a temperature control on it. You can see it's got a plus and a minus, so it's going to go up or down with the temperature control. So this one would be better on finer hair types. And then there's this one, which actually has bent plates. So this is really good if you use your flat iron more to curl, or you want to make sure that you want that bend at the end of the hair. Sometimes people have a hard time bending, because really it's all in the wrist. But sometimes people have a hard time bending and they get like a crease. So if you're going to be using it more for kind of putting bend in the hair, you don't want it so straight, something with bent plates is good because you can really kind of bend that hair and get that really good curl in it. Also, if you travel a lot or you've got super short hair that you like to flat iron, you can even get a little tiny one like this that gets really close and into those really tight areas that it's hard to get into. So those really tight little spots around your face. A lot of people have really curly hair right here. So this will just get right in and straighten those pieces right out. So really the best ceramic hair straightener is the one that's going to fit your lifestyle and your needs and your budget the best.